Next is 360-degree feedback. This is very favorite kind of a feedback because here we are getting feedback from different areas. You can say a holistic approach where feedback is collected from various sources, including what? Including, yes, managers, peers, subordinates, clients or customers, and yes, clients or customers if applicable. Okay, so that offers a well-rounded perspective on performance, especially for leadership roles. Okay, so let's have an example like a team leader receives feedback from their manager, team members, and other stakeholders about their leadership, decision making, and communication skills. Okay, so don't take it negatively, or don't say that, don't think that people want to remove you, or people want to you can say replace you, substitute you. It's not that way. It should be taken constructively also. If you're a manager, you must take these feedbacks constructively. You must take these feedbacks as a signal for areas for improvement. Okay, that yes, we have identified the areas where improvement needs to be done, and yes, in future we would be doing it. Okay, next is performance ratings. Now see, this is really helpful in a performance appraisal process. So performance ratings, after gathering data through appraisals, employees are rated or ranked based on their achievements, competencies, and overall contributions. You have to give rating to understand actually who stands where. Okay, so this can involve what? Performance scales. What is performance scale? You might understood scales we are talking. So employees are rated on a numerical or descriptive scale. Example, you can say 1 to 5, or exceeds expectations, meets expectations, needs improvement. Okay, example, okay, a marketing coordinator might be rated as 4. Okay, that could be exceeds expectations for successfully managing a social media campaign. Now don't struggle for that 5 here. Whenever you are providing rating, or you are getting rating or scales, never think that okay, I must get 5. You can never get, and even if people are giving, they're not able to judge properly, because always there are areas which requires improvement. Okay, so don't think okay, if I'm getting 5, then it's perfect and I should get 5. Okay, you must be happy if you're getting 3, 4, 2. Even if you're getting 1, then also okay, if I'm getting 1, I have to improve a lot. And what are the areas for improvement that I need to check, or I would be getting it through the feedback. So it's a positive sign. Never take it negatively. Next is comparative rankings. This is also very nice because you are compared. I always say never compare yourself with anyone. You must set your own standard. But here comparisons are important because we are improving as an organization. We are improving as a team. So if if a car is having 4 wheels, all the wheels need to be compared. Okay, this is not an individual performance. Individual performance is a car performance, that is a team performance. Okay, so we need to check all the wheels.